Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back, friends. Today we're doing a sticker haul from Planner Kate. I haven't shopped with her sticker shop in a while, and I needed to re-up on a lot of my stickers, and she had such great new items that I also purchased a few new things. So I wanted to share everything with you before I start using them. They are so beautiful. I love her relaunch with her new logo and some of the new sticker washi on the side. I actually use these sometimes in spreads, so I'm happy to see that she has some new ones, and I want to share it all with you. This is her business card that she includes with every purchase. She also includes a few freebies for you. These are like samplers of some of the other things in her shop. I always love the Planner Kate doodles. They are so cute, and I have quite a few of them actually in colors because I use them a lot in my planners. Also, some box stickers. I actually use these sampler box stickers a lot as well. These are cute. These are new. They have little icons on the side, and you can use them in your planner as well. Dash icons. I love that. Also, some dot stickers. Some of her Doodle Girls. I don't use these that often, but they are cute. I like to collect those as well. And then also some of the great phrases throughout her script collection. So these are also really nice. And this is in the Jen Plans font, which is something newer. One of the other planners created her own font, and that's a big thing for a lot of planners to use as well. So it's good to see those in print also. Now, I also have quite a few other things that I actually purchased. I went a little crazy. I'll already tell you that. So I purchased some monthly stickers. I needed to re-up on those, and I just love this font. I think this is the Jen Plan font actually. So I love that, and I purchased some of the monthly stickers. She also had these Christmas bucket list stickers, and they are super cute with the little icons. I wanted to create a mini bucket list in my A5 planner, and these will be great for that. Also, this is one for the winter bucket list icon list, so I thought that was super cute. She has these really cute filming icons now. They are so adorable. I love the little stars there. So this is for when I plan to do filming. Also, this is for YouTube, I think. And then Instagram. And then these are for medical appointments. I love these little icons. They are so adorable. And then also some shot stickers. I want to be able to keep track of my daughter's medications, so I brought those. Amazon, I don't know about you, but I'm a big Amazon fan, so I like to keep track of when my orders arrive. Groomer appointments. My dog is always getting his hair cut, so I needed some more of those. Also, I thought these were absolutely beautiful. These pretty pastel colored monthly stickers, and these actually match the floor design from Erin Condren, so these will be great for my A5. Also, some days of the week. I definitely needed more of those. More AM routine, PM routine. I ran out. I use them so much. Also, meeting stickers to remind me of my meetings for work. And then I bought a couple of weekly sampler kits. This is one MK343, and I just love that. Also, this one with the little fox drinking some pumpkin spice coffee. Oh, that's so adorable. I can't wait to use those. Also, oil change. I do need to make sure that I keep up with that in my car, and I thought these were super cute for that reason. So I purchased some oil change stickers. Wash hair stickers. I try to do this weekly, and I like to try to plan for that, so I purchased some of those. Also, workout stickers. I had some before. I want to say I used them all, but I know I needed a new set of workout stickers. I do plan to start going to the gym more now that it's getting cold outside, so I purchased workout stickers. Day off stickers. I always seem to be scrambling to find stickers that say day off, so I purchased some dedicated ones. Rest day. Also, I repurchased the rescheduled and canceled stickers because I used them up a bit. Game day, I watch football a lot with my friends, so I bought those. Payroll due, this is actually to remind me to submit my timesheet for work, but I plan to use those. Sleep in, because I need to do that more. Hopefully we all need to do that a bit more. And now that daylight savings is ending, hopefully I can. Some weather stickers. I needed another sheet of these, and actually I bought 2. Payday stickers. I needed those. These are also cleaning stickers. The little buckets, I like to use those. These are stickers, which I think is absolutely adorable. But when I order from Etsy shops or other places, I can put these down as my little icon to remind me of those. I love that. And then these are actually 4 of the Wacky holiday stickers. I absolutely love using these in my Live Rich planner for my weekly spreads to show just the little unusual holidays that fall throughout the year. These are for 2022. I purchased the 2021 set and absolutely love them. So those are a must for next year for me as well. So as you can see, I purchased quite a bit of stuff. I'm super excited to be using these stickers in my planner, and hopefully you see a few that you might be interested in as well. I have Planner Kate's information in my description box. Today we're doing an unpacking of the Mama Gloria stickers I purchased from Etsy. And these are probably going to be my last stickers that I purchased this year before going into 2022. So I wanted to share them with you as I will be using them in my various planners. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the stickers collection that I purchased from Mama Gloria. It is pretty thick. I just wanted to make sure I had some of the things that I know I want to start using in my various planners. So starting with this list of headers that includes this week, today, to do, goals, canceled, and work. I use these sticker headings quite a bit in my different planners, so I thought they would be great. And these are based on the floor design, which I have in my A5 planner, so I love the color scheme here. These are some extra doodle stickers that she included for me, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I love the little champagnes and fireworks. These will be great as I transition from the holidays into the new year. So I plan to use these in an upcoming spread. I have some clean fridge stickers because I tried to clean my refrigerator at least once a month, and I thought these would be great to use in my planners to help me remember that. She also had these really cute mood stickers, and I actually got them in 2 different color schemes. This one is more in floral, and I think this is like more the traditional EC colors, if I'm not mistaken. But either way, I just love them. I haven't really seen these on the other sticker sites, at least this simplified. So I really wanted to pick these up because I do want to get into more wellness planning going into the new year. And these are so cute. You can kind of check off or X out where you are on the spectrum in terms of your mood on a daily basis. Then I also purchased some skincare reminder stickers. Clean the microwave stickers. So cute. Gym time. I do plan on renewing my gym membership going into the new year, so I want to designate time for that. Also, clean bath. Meeting times, and I actually got 2 of these to go in my daily planner because I like the look of the little squares. So I got them in the cool colors and the warm colors. Very pretty. And then I also picked up the clean dishwasher stickers because I need to start doing that more frequently. Also washed my car. Even though it's about to be cold out, I still like to try to wash my car once a month if possible, depending on the weather. So I bought these as a reminder. Clean the windows. That is actually another one of my monthly tasks. So I thought these would be cute on those days. I love how she has these cute decal stickers on her site. This is my favorite thing on the Mama Gloria site, even though I will say she has some really pretty kits that she recently came out with. I've just gotten away from using kits in my planners, so I don't tend to purchase them as much as I used to, but I do absolutely love her little icon script stickers. They are so, so cute. And then wax appointment, I started getting waxed more often, so I thought these were super cute to put in my planners as a reminder for that as well. So those are the stickers that I purchased from Mama Gloria, and I plan to use these in my various planners over the next few months. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Take care, friends.